Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make battery icon and others bigger on your phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we need to turn on something called Developer Options. I'll show you how to do it. Open your phone settings. Scroll down and hit on About Phone. Press on Software Information. Find Build Number and tap on it 7 times. You'll see a message saying Developer Mode is turned on. And that's it. Now go back to Settings. Scroll down a little bit, and you will see a new option called Developer. When you enter to Developer, scroll down to the section called Drawing. Press on Minimum or Smallest Width. You'll see a number here. For example, mine says 430. To make the icons bigger, you just need to enter a smaller number. Try typing 400 or 410, then hit OK. Now you'll notice that the battery, signal, and other icons are larger and easier to see. But make sure you can enter any number between 400 and 500, like smaller number equals bigger icons. Bigger number equals smaller icons. Battery percentage is super helpful. It shows exactly how much charge is left on your phone. Here's how to turn it on. Open your settings, search and type battery. Press battery again. Scroll down and look for Show Battery Percentage. Turn the switch on. That's it. Now your phone will always show the exact battery percentage next to the icon. So, that is how you can make battery icon and others bigger on your phone. So that's all for this video. Thanks.